Okay, this is part 2, independent practice. A little tricky one. You've probably tried it. Maybe got a little frustrated. If you did it, great. Let's see what you did. If not, kind of watch me and I'll walk you through it. And hopefully this will make sense to you. So I'm going to look at some information I know. To order the tickets is going to be 2 tickets at $24.95. And the total that I'm going to need to pay is $64.50. Now, just looking at that, I look at this, 2 tickets, $24.95 each. I'm going to round that to $25. So 25 times 2 is $50. So I look at here, and when it says I'm going to pay $64.50, that's a lot more than $50. That's like almost $15 more. So I know there's some sort of online fee. And the chair's in the way, can't move the chair. So I got to use the information I know to figure out what this online fee is. That's what I'm wondering. Okay. So it says let F represent the cost of ordering each ticket online. So the cost of ordering them online is 2 tickets times $24.95. Okay. Write an equation that could be used to find the cost of ordering each ticket online. Okay, so I need to figure this online fee. 2 times the $24.95 tickets, so that's the cost of them, plus I have 2 tickets times F, which is the fee. I don't know that, but I can figure it out. Once I get the fee in there, that's going to equal my $64.50. Okay. So now I have to solve this equation, and I want to solve it for F. Once I get F, then I'll know what the fee is, and I can figure out how much each ticket is individually with the online fee. Okay, so let's go here. I'm going to figure this out. 2 times $24.95 plus 2F equals $64.50. So, order of operations, I'm going to do this first, which is $49.90 plus 2F equals $64.50. And I'm showing my work, showing the steps I do. I want to get rid of this $49.50 because I'm still trying to get this F all alone. So I'm going to subtract $49.90 from here, and I'm going to subtract $49.90 from here. Those cancel, so it leaves me with 2F equals 64 point. I'm going to use a calculator here. 64.50 minus 49.9. And that's going to get me 14.60. Okay. Now I want to get rid of this 2. It's times F, so I'm going to divide it by 2. Divide it by 2. F equals, it's going to be F equals $7.30. So that is the fee for each ticket. Okay, let's go back. Oh, I guess we got to stay here. Okay. $7.30. Now it says another friend wants to go to the concert. What's the total cost of ordering 3 tickets online? Well, I can figure out 1 ticket online is this $24.95 plus this fee of $7.30 for each ticket. So 5, 2. Okay, so each ticket is going to be $32.25. Now, if I want 3 people to go, I just times it by 3. And that is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Decimal comes out 2, goes in 2. So my total cost for 3 people is $96.75. And I was able to figure that out without being able to see the fee, the online fee, based on knowing how much it costs to order them and the total cost. Okay. Number 3, Maurice receives $3 per week for allowance and earns an additional $175 for each chore he completes. Okay, so we know we're going to get $3 a week no matter what. Write an equation to find T, the total amount. Okay, T equals, because T is the total amount, earned for C chores in 1 week. Well, we know he's going to earn $3 no matter what, because he receives $3 in allowance. And plus $1.75 for each chore. Now, we don't know how many chores, but we know C equals chores. So T equals 3 plus 175 times C. And that'll get an equation for how much he is going to earn in a week. Okay. Make a function table to show the relationship between the number of chores, C, and how much he earns in a week. So C is your independent variable, so we can just pick whatever we want. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. All right, so if I do 1, it's going to be 1.75 times 1, and then I'm going to add the 3 to it, and it's going to get me 475. Okay. Now, if I do 2 chores, it's 2 times 1.75 plus $3 is going to be $6.50. Now, if he does 3 chores, it's 3 times 175 plus 3. That gets me a total of $8.25. Okay. So the more chores he does, the more money he makes in a week. We're going to graph these ordered pairs. Number of chores is C. Number of chores down here. And the total earned is over here. So let's start with chores. 1 chore right here. Let me zoom this in a little bit. 1 chore equals 475. So 4 is right here. Okay. There we go. About there. Not exact. It's not 5. It's more than 4.5, but it's right there. Okay, 2 chores equals 650. So we have 6 here and 50 right in the middle. Good. And then 3 equals 825. So it's a little over 8 right there. Okay. And we could go like this. I'm going to go all the way to this. If he does 0 chores, it's going to be 0 times $1.75, which is 0, plus 3. So it's going to be 0 and 3. And then I'll just connect right in there. And you can see that this is a very straight line. So it is a linear equation. How much will Maurice earn if he completes 5 chores in 1 week? So all we got to do is do total that he earns, 3 plus 175 times 5 chores. Okay, so 1.75 times 5 equals 875. Bring down the 3, T equals. So 875 plus the 3 that he earns for an allowance, he will be getting 11.75. Okay, there's your answer. All right, if you have any questions, let me know and we'll work through these together.